Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. With the Samsung Galaxy S25 series now here, we're looking ahead to Samsung's next big smartphone launch, which in all likelihood will consist of the brand's 2025 foldables. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be the most high-end of these, though there are also reports of a tri-fold model in the works, which might have it beat. Either way though, the Z Fold 7 is likely to be an impressive phone. So far there's no news on exactly when the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 might launch, but given that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 were both announced in July of their release years, July is our best guess, with the phone probably shipping either in late July or in August. We can confidently say that this phone is in the works though anyway, especially as multiple sources have come across code names and model numbers for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Plus, leaker Panda Flash claims that production of the phone will start in May, which would likely work for a July launch. As for the price, according to one source, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 will cost the same amount as its predecessor. That would mean a starting price of $1,899. Samsung itself said that its upcoming foldable phones would have improved form factors, durability, so we can probably expect some changes to the design and build of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. As for exactly what changes, we heard from one source that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 could have the same screen sizes as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. That would mean an 8-inch foldable screen and a 6.5-inch cover display, up from 7.6 inches and 6.3 inches for the foldable and cover screens respectively on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. According to leaker at Panda Flash Pro, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 will have 12 GB of RAM, and a choice of 256 GB or 512 GB of storage, while the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 will also have 12 GB of RAM, and come in 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB configurations. Those are exactly the same specs as the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 have, so these rumored new phones don't sound like much of an upgrade. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.